Hello everyone, Rune Smith here. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different and take you through what in my eyes is an optimized minimalist set for Locksport. I believe this set will get you very far. In some ways, for pin tumblers, this is all you could need and more, but I believe this is stripped down to bare components, but still has one of pretty much everything you could need. So let's go through it. So firstly, for our rake, because sometimes you do want to rake, you want to zip, you want to do all different things, I've chosen the half diamond. And the reason I've chosen a half diamond, a small half diamond, is because they can also be used for dimples in a pinch. They're very good. They're pretty much just short hooks with a slope on the front. They're very good for zipping. You can scrub with them. You can rock with them. They are probably the most versatile profile in your kit. So that's the one rake I would choose to have in the kit. Next, we're going to have a 25 thousandths or around 0.6 millimeter short hook, and this could be whatever your preference for short hook is. It doesn't have to be this. This is the SS Dev. It's got the nice little scoop on it. That is also very similar to. I could also easily choose this, the #1 profile from the Reapers. Any kind of short hook, ideally in 25 thousandths, 0.6 millimeter. Obviously, if you're going for the Reaper, it's probably going to be 20 thousandths. But with a short hook, and the times you're going to be using a short hook, you're probably good to go something a bit stronger and a bit thicker. Next, whatever your preference of medium hook is. So this one is pretty deep, but I've chosen this. I've got multi-pick here, and this is the 0.5 millimeter. So we're getting a bit thinner as we're requiring deeper hooks. So the 0.5 millimeter medium. I've also got the handles on these because these multi-pick handles really elevate multi-pick. And then lastly, I'm guessing that you can guess what the last profile is, whatever your preference of deeper hook is. And I've gone really thin on this one. This is 0.4 millimeters, again from multi-pick. So it's a deeper style hook, and you can see it along there, nicely engraved, 0.4. So they're the profiles for Locksport optimized. I'm not saying that they're optimized for rapid entry. I'm not saying they're optimized for a raker, for a hybrid picker. I believe this is the set which will give you the most capability against pin tumblers as you come across them. So for tensioners, I've chosen the double-ended wiper insert style. I've chosen longer ones, and the reason I have done this is because you can bend them into different shapes. If you need to make yourself a tulip wrench to get around doorways or anything like that, you can do that. You can file them thinner or with different angles, and then if you don't want to keep that, you can snip it off and then bend it again, and you've still got a very usable tensioner. Also, longer tensioners give you a bit more control, so it's nice to be able to select where on the tensioner you're putting your finger and where you're giving the control, the leverage on the tensioner. So we've got the top of the keyways on the short ends, which give you better feedback than the pry bar style. You're not going to be able to see on this because this is one of the best pry bar styles you can get. But if you look at some of the cheaper pry bars, when you're putting tension on them, you'll see a lot more flex. Whereas, obviously, with good ones like this, you don't have to worry about that. Whereas with these, with the metal oriented in that direction, you don't have to worry about the flex because it's this way. So that's my take on an optimized minimalist Locksport kit for all levels. Obviously, you'll make your way up. If you're a beginner, you're going to start with these two picks, and you're going to be working mainly with these and the thicker picks. And then as you need deeper and deeper picks and to get round wardings, then you can go to the thinner and thinner ones. So you can actually use this kit to build up to the thinner picks and not break your thinner picks. So like I said, I think this set is the minimalist but optimized set for Locksport that will get you as far as you can go. Let me know what profiles and thicknesses and tensioners you would choose, trying to keep the amount of tools and footprint to a minimum. Your goal is to be able to get into as many pin tumbler locks as possible, so giving yourself the widest range of capabilities, from zipping open easy white belt, yellow belt, orange belt locks, all the way up to maneuvering round red belt, black belt level locks. Thanks for watching.